Everybody get up.
Return to the Mac. Get up what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up, first shot, come strut walking. Little bit of humble, little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, nope, y'all can't copy yet. Glad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Chrome music, I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put
right off the rip, nobody can fuck with me. I'm out of space, mind and body, my soul and so on. Mommy, I'm fly is an understatement. Come to greatness.
I own my own planet, I'll do my own thing, then turn around and pat myself on the back for doing good. I don't need nobody else, I'm gonna do it by myself. Say what you wanna say, but stick to the facts.
You're a jerk. No boy. You're a jerk. 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 Jerk.
I'm so cocky with it. Got my eyes shut, closed like Rocky hit it. Got your girl on my swag, she loving them jerking songs like the new iPod. Just touch it to turn her on, and when the bass start beating in the waist, I'm beating. Done, I got on my way, I'm leaving. She like, where you going? I ain't got my shoes in purse. I said, it's none of your concern, and she yelled,
you're a jerk.
Let me tell you what I miss. Skateboarding, I'm off that. Label execs, I'm off that. A&Rs, I'm off that. But DJs, I love that. Popping bottles, I'm off that. VIP, I'm off that. Making it rain, I'm off that. Hanging on the block, I'm off that. We bass blow, I'm off that. Stop, cop, go, I'm off that. Ducking DTs, I'm off that. BTs, PTs, Pink Pony, Scarlets, Tootsies, I love that. Studio gangsters, I'm off that. Internet gangsters, I'm off that. Young fucks, you can't trust, that never bust, I'm off that.
Tonight we're taking over. No one's getting out. This place about to blow.
Baby squirrel, use a sexy motherfucker.
Give me your attention, baby. I gotta tell you a little something about yourself. You're one of our flawless, ooh, you a sexy lady. But you walk around here like you wanna be someone else. Ooh, wow. I know that you don't know it, but you're fine, so fine. Fine, so fine. Ooh, show you when you're mine, oh mine, mine, oh mine. Treasure, that is what you are. Honey, you're my golden star.
Your name, but you wanna put your name on it. Put your name on it. Come and put your name on it.
It's not even my birthday, but you wanna lick the icing off. I know you want it in the worst way. Can't wait to blow my candles out. He want that cake, 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 cake. Ooh, baby, I like it. You're so excited. Don't try to hide I'ma make you my bitch. Cake, 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 cake. I know you wanna, but I'm gonna try. Would you let me see beneath your beautiful? Would you let me see beneath your perfect? Take it off now, boy, take it off.
Get jazzy on, talk dirty to me. 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 Get jazzy on it.
What? I don't understand.